Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where learning English is made easy, practical, and fun. I'm Evie.
And I am Alan. Hello, everyone. Today, we are walking into a very common everyday situation that can sometimes feel a bit intimidating if you don't know the right vocabulary. We are talking about how to speak at a beauty salon.
Oh, this is a fantastic topic. Going to a salon isn't just about saying, I want a haircut. You need to know how to book an appointment, describe exactly what style you want, ask for pricing, and give feedback to the stylist if something isn't quite right.
Exactly. If you use the wrong words, you might end up with a completely different look than what you wanted. So today, we will break down the essential phrases into 4 clear steps: booking, describing your style, mid-service communication, and checking out.
And just like always, we will practice these phrases naturally together. Before we begin, please take a quick second to hit that subscribe button, click the like icon, and share this episode with a friend. Let's dive into step 1, booking and arriving.
When you call a salon or walk up to the reception desk, you want to be clear about what you need and when. Let's practice the opening lines. Phrase 1.
Hi, I'd like to book an appointment for a haircut and styling this week.
Phrase 2.
Do you have any openings for a manicure and pedicure this afternoon?
Phrase 3. Hi, I have an appointment booked under the name Shake at 3 o'clock.
Phrase 4. Is it possible to squeeze me in for a quick trim today, or are you fully booked?
Phrase 5. How long is the wait if I just walk in without an appointment?
Phrase 6. Can I request a specific stylist, or is it first come, first served?
Phrase 7. Does the facial treatment include a massage, or is that extra?
Phrase 8. Could you tell me how much a full set of gel nails costs?
Phrase 9. I need to reschedule my appointment for tomorrow if possible.
Phrase 10. Do I need to wash my hair before I come in, or is a shampoo included?
Excellent start. Notice how in phrase 4, speaker 1 used the idiom squeeze me in. To squeeze someone in means to find a small amount of time in a very busy schedule to give them a quick appointment.
Now you are sitting in the chair. This is the most crucial part. You need to tell the hairstylist, nail technician, or esthetician exactly what your vision is. Let's look at how to describe your preferences precisely. Phrase 11.
I just want a simple trim, about an inch off the bottom, please.
I'm looking to try something new. What kind of style would suit my face shape?
Can we add some subtle layers to give my hair a bit more volume?
I brought a photo reference along to show you the exact look I'm going for.
I'd like to dye my hair, but I want to keep the color very natural looking.
My hair is naturally quite thick, so could you thin it out a little bit at the ends?
For my nails, I'd prefer a clean, square shape with rounded edges.
I've got really dry, sensitive skin, so please use gentle products during the facial.
I'd like to get my eyebrows threaded, just to clean up, don't make them too thin.
Can you do a blowout that gives my hair soft, loose waves rather than tight curls?
Can I completely part my hair on the left-hand side today?
Could we do some light highlights around the front to frame my face?
Please avoid using too much heavy hairspray or gel at the end. I prefer a natural feel.
My cuticles are quite soft, so please be extra careful with the nail clippers.
I'd love a deep conditioning treatment to help repair my damaged hair. Beautiful phrasing. In phrase 14, when speaker 2 said, the look I'm going for, that simply means the style I am trying to achieve. It's a very natural way to express your goal.
Sometimes during the service, you need to speak up. Maybe the water is too hot, or you want them to cut a little bit more. Don't be shy. Here is how to speak up politely.
Phrase 26. Ouch, the water is a little bit too hot. Could you turn it down a notch?
Phrase 27. Actually, could you take just a tiny bit more off the top? It still feels a bit heavy.
Phrase 28. Is this hair color going to fade quickly, or will it last a few weeks?
Phrase 29. The pressure during the massage is perfect. Thank you so much.
Phrase 30. Could you please explain what this specific serum does for my skin type?
Phrase 31. Sorry, that dryer is blowing directly on my ears and it's burning a little.
Phrase 32. I think I'd prefer a slightly lighter shade of pink for the second coat of polish.
Phrase 33. Do you mind if I sit up a bit straighter? My neck is getting a bit stiff.
Phrase 34. Could you show me how it looks from the back with a hand mirror?
Phrase 35. Wow, I really love how the texture is turning out. It looks great.
Perfect. Remember, giving positive feedback like in phrase 35 makes your stylist feel wonderful and ensures a great salon experience.
The service is finished, you look fantastic, and now it's time to settle the bill and leave the counter. Let's practice the closing steps. Phrase 36.
Everything looks absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for your time.
Can I pay for the service and the tip together on my credit card?
What products did you use on my hair today? I'd like to purchase one.
Is the tip typically included in the total price, or do I add it manually?
I'd love to pre-book my next hair trim for 6 weeks from now.
Do you offer any loyalty cards or digital reward points for regular customers?
Could I get an itemized receipt sent directly to my email address?
Who should I ask for next time if I want the exact same nail design?
Do you accept contactless phone payments here at the front desk?
Have a wonderful rest of your day. See you next time.
Now let's listen to how a few of these phrases flow together seamlessly in a real short role-play conversation. Speaker 1 will play the hairstylist, and Speaker 2 will be the client. Let's listen. All right, make yourself comfortable. So what are we doing with your hair today? Hi, I brought a photo reference along to show you the exact look I'm going for. I want to keep the length mostly the same, but can we add some subtle layers to give it a bit more volume?
Oh, I love this style. Yes, your hair is naturally quite thick, so I'll thin it out a little bit at the end so the layers drop beautifully. Does that sound good?
That sounds perfect. Also, please avoid using too much heavy hairspray at the end. I prefer a soft, natural feel.
You got it. Let's head over to the shampoo station first and get you washed. How is the water temperature for you?
Ouch, the water is a little bit too hot actually. Could you turn it down a notch?
Oh, sorry about that. Let me adjust it. How is that now?
Now it's absolutely perfect. Thank you.
And that is how you navigate a beauty salon visit completely in English. You did a wonderful job keeping up with the pacing today.
Yes, fantastic work. The next time you step into a salon, you won't have to feel nervous. You have all the precise tools you need to ask for exactly what you want.
If this lesson helped boost your speaking confidence today, please remember to subscribe to our channel, drop a thumbs up on this track, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you.
Until our next class, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing. Bye, everyone.